Hi, Shilp, Andreas here. Yeah, it's just about two things. There's the buy now button. There's only one option. It's giving you only one option. Is the one with the money back guarantee. We have the 199 US dollars, and for the worldwide, which is without the money back guarantee. I cannot find it now. Um, let's have a look if it's here. No, it's not here. It used to be there, but it's not here anymore. So we've got two options: to 199 US dollars, which with the money back guarantee, and 199 US dollar, which is not there. And the same in the UK. There used to be two options. One is 199, and the other one, 129 GBP and 189. The 189 is here. 129 is not easily found. Another thing is here, Sanf remover, okay? Sanf remover, not Sanf plasma remover. Sanf remover. Change the text in both places, okay? Sanf remover. And then the newsletters. I don't know whether we receive anyone trying to subscribe to them, but we received no one. I'll just do a test. Andy Ross 1980 at hotmail.co.uk. See that it does it. I'll try that. And so basically two things. Successful. In this mailbox, you confirm a subscription. Can see in the files folder. Okay. So I'll see whether that works. But yeah, so successfully subscribed. I'll check on that in a second here on the mails. Have a look on junk mail. But anyway, the point here is that we need to have this the other option. The one with the without the money bank guarantee in worldwide is 199 US dollars, and in the UK the one without the money back guarantee is 129. So they have seem to have disappeared. I can't find them, and people are asking for them. So yeah, please add them back and let me know once you've done. And this, if you can sort out the some plasma removal here and the subscribe button, I don't think is working properly. Let me know. This is quite important. Just don't forget it. It's quite important. Let me know.